No, you want me stand down, I'ma stand. No, you want me stand down, I'ma stand. No, you want me stand down, I'ma stand tall. And no matter if I ball, it's the little wall. I'm just making sure I'm ready when my number call. By the grace of God, nigga, gotta make it, y'all. No, you want me stand down, I'ma stand tall. And no matter if I ball, it's the little wall. I'm just making sure I'm ready when my number call. By the grace of God, nigga, gotta make it, y'all. Instead of picking up a gun, blowing out my brains, I'ma bust another verse, give you all this pain. Time to hit him where it hurt, you be the vein. Mama told me anything, had no shame. Papa used the flame thing for a bang bang. From a knowledge I've been doomed from the same thing. Wasn't planned, obviously no plan B. Tired time through birth, mama couldn't stand me. So she had no problem when she had to hand me over. King Jehovah, granted prison, Lord Jehovah. First 7 years, that's how I lived. Back and forth on the grandma. How I live, back and forth NYVA. Where I live, still unsettled, that's just how I live. All them years locked down, my mom's dead, accidental nut. Might be worse than a shot. Jake Davis on the track, coming straight from the heart. Straight from the heart, straight from the heart. Skip to my loo when I'm pushing the rock. Pushing the rock, pushing the rock. Steph Curry, boy, switch with the shot. Probably wish you jumped off, man, you knew she was the jump off. Guess what? Never wasted a nut. I'm next up, something like Korean dust. Yeah, I aim for a face, cause I know where the bust. Know where the bust. Know where the bust. Yeah, I aim for his face, cause I know where the bust. Know where the bust. Know where the bust. 92, still remember it, man. Memorized the first rhyme I said to my friend. 96, fell in love with the pen. And every time I rhyme, they told me do it again. 2016, made my amends. Worked the lyrics, still we all gotta sing. Always start up great, but that's not how it ends. Expose your darkest secrets, yeah, we all got a friend. Gotta be suicidal with the truth to be your rival. When you know I want the title, work hard to be your idol. What's a prophet and no prophecy? Democratic politician, no democracy. For real, for real. Yeah, I talk that talk. Swagger never like it, cause I'm from New York. I'm a gold digger, need to know my niggas. Buck, gun tuck, and they give no fucks. That's an eye for an eye, I will die over mine. Nigga grind over time, you will shine at the time. Never mind what's on their mind, put your haters in the line them up each one of a time, let them know you was the dime. This is magic with no wine, no more crystal stones to charm. Please don't think you keep me calm, you can't read me like a pawn. Get it poppin' like Saddam, when I rhyme I beat a bomb. Tell Beyonce bring the alarm, this is taking way too long. I've been patient way too long, right by now I need a farm. For my family feed them all, never hating when they ball. I'm just waiting for my call, and I just might not pick up, you took too long. How your bar count off and your hooks be long? Cause they overlooking me, you will quit with thongs. Can't speak right, just preach wrong. Backward ass rappers and you praise they songs. Well, alright. I said backward ass rappers and you praise they songs. That ain't alright. I said backward ass rappers and you praise they songs. Cut them loose, fam. Southside, we outside.